What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
How old are you?
I am 30 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Where do you live?
I live in Toronto.
What's your nationality?
I am Canadian.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 brothers.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I have 1 daughter.
What do you do?
I am a software engineer.
Where do you work?
I work at a tech company.
Are you a student?
No, I am not a student.
What did you study?
I studied computer science.
What time do you usually get up?
I usually get up at 6:30 a.m.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have cereal and orange juice for breakfast.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by car.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are gardening and photography.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books in my free time.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play tennis.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is sushi.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Tom Hanks.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Pride and Prejudice.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
Where do you usually shop?
I usually shop online.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I do like cooking.
What do you like to cook?
I like to cook stir-fry.
What's your favorite restaurant?
My favorite restaurant is the Sushi House.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where have you traveled?
I have traveled to Italy, Brazil, and Thailand.
Where would you like to go?
I would like to go to Greece.
What's the weather like today?
It's rainy and cool today.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is autumn.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Thanksgiving.
How do you celebrate your birthday?
I celebrate my birthday by going out to dinner with my family.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use social media.
What's your favorite app?
My favorite app is Pinterest.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I exercise regularly.
What do you do to stay healthy?
I eat healthy foods and go for a run every morning.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive.
Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak French.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I love reading.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually go for a hike on weekends.
Do you like watching TV?
Yes, I do like watching TV.
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Breaking Bad.
Are you a morning person?
No, I am not a morning person.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like to dance.
Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I have been abroad.
What are your plans for the future?
My plans for the future are to buy a house and travel more.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is to be a writer.
What's your biggest achievement?
My biggest achievement is completing a marathon.
What's your biggest fear?
My biggest fear is spiders.
How do you relax after a long day?
I relax by watching a movie.
What motivates you?
I am motivated by personal growth and learning new things.
What is your favorite memory?
My favorite memory is my wedding day.
What do you do in your free time?
I enjoy playing the piano in my free time.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is literature.
What are you passionate about?
I am passionate about environmental conservation.
What are your goals?
My goals are to write a book and start a charity.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee, especially in the morning.
Do you like to cook new recipes?
Yes, I love experimenting with new recipes, especially trying out different cuisines from around the world.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is cheesecake, particularly with a strawberry topping.
Do you enjoy going to the beach?
Yes, I love the beach. It's my favorite place to relax and enjoy the sun.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the piano. I've been playing since I was a child.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy listening to classical music and jazz, but I also like pop music depending on my mood.
Have you ever been camping?
Yes, I've been camping a few times. I enjoy being close to nature, but I also like my creature comforts.
Do you like art?
Yes, I really enjoy visiting art galleries and museums. I find art to be very inspiring.
What's your favorite type of art?
My favorite type of art is Impressionism. I love the use of light and color.
Do you like board games?
Yes, I love board games. My favorite is Scrabble.
What do you usually do in the evenings?
In the evenings, I usually like to relax with a good book or watch a TV show. Sometimes I go out for dinner with friends.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I find gardening very therapeutic. I grow flowers and I'm also trying to grow some vegetables.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I've been to several concerts. The most memorable one was a Coldplay concert.
What's your favorite time of the day?
My favorite time of the day is early morning when everything is quiet, and I can enjoy a cup of coffee while planning my day.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I love surprises. They make life more exciting.
What's the best gift you've ever received?
The best gift I've ever received was a handmade scrapbook from my best friend, filled with our memories together.
Do you prefer the city or the countryside?
I prefer the countryside. It's peaceful, and I love the fresh air and open spaces.
What's your favorite type of weather?
My favorite type of weather is a cool, crisp autumn day with lots of sunshine.
Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I enjoy photography, especially capturing nature and landscapes.
What's your favorite way to spend a weekend?
My favorite way to spend a weekend is going on a road trip with friends, exploring new places and trying local foods.
Have you ever tried extreme sports?
Yes, I've tried rock climbing and skydiving. They were both thrilling experiences.
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
I prefer dogs because they're so friendly and loyal, but I like cats too.
What's your dream vacation?
My dream vacation is to visit the Maldives, stay in an overwater bungalow, and enjoy the beautiful beaches and marine life.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
My favorite childhood memory is spending summers at my grandparents' house in the countryside, playing in the fields and helping in the garden.
What do you do when you're feeling stressed?
When I'm feeling stressed, I usually go for a walk in the park or do some yoga to relax.
Do you believe in fate?
Yes, I do believe that some things happen for a reason and that fate plays a part in our lives.
Do you like to volunteer?
Yes, I volunteer at a local animal shelter. It's very rewarding to help animals in need.
What's your favorite way to stay active?
My favorite way to stay active is by going for a run in the morning. I also enjoy doing yoga and swimming.
What's your favorite city that you visited?
My favorite city that I visited is Paris. I love its rich history, beautiful architecture, and delicious food.
Do you like to plan things? Or are you more spontaneous?
I like to plan things, but I also appreciate being spontaneous when the opportunity arises.
What's something you've always wanted to learn?
I've always wanted to learn how to play the guitar. I think it would be fun to play my favorite songs.
Do you collect anything?
Yes, I collect postcards from all the places I visited. They're like little pieces of my travel memories.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
My favorite ice cream flavor is mint chocolate chip. It's refreshing and delicious.
Do you prefer reading physical books or ebooks?
I prefer physical books because I love the feel of the pages and the smell of a new book. But I do read ebooks when I'm traveling.
What's your favorite type of movie?
My favorite type of movie is a good drama with an inspiring storyline. But I also enjoy a lighthearted comedy.
Do you like puzzles?
Yes, I love puzzles. I find them challenging and a great way to pass the time.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
My favorite outdoor activity is hiking. I love exploring nature trails and enjoying the scenery.
Do you have any hidden talents?
I can juggle. It's something I learned when I was younger and still enjoy doing from time to time.
What's your favorite way to unwind after a busy day?
My favorite way to unwind is by taking a warm bath, lighting some candles, and listening to calming music.
Do you like attending festivals or events?
Yes, I enjoy attending music festivals and cultural events. It's a great way to experience new things and meet new people.
What's your favorite thing about your job?
My favorite thing about my job is the creative freedom I have. I enjoy solving problems and working on projects that challenge me.
Do you have any favorite quotes or sayings?
Yes, one of my favorite quotes is, "The only way to do great work is to love what you do" by Steve Jobs. It always motivates me to pursue my passions.
What's something you're proud of?
I'm proud of the fact that I've been able to maintain a healthy work-life balance. It's not always easy, but it's important to me.
What's the most adventurous thing you've ever done?
The most adventurous thing I've done is backpacking through Southeast Asia for 3 months. It was an incredible experience.
Do you prefer the mountains or the beach?
I prefer the mountains. I love the fresh air, the quiet, and the beautiful views.
What's your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is the sunflower. It's so bright and cheerful, and it always makes me smile.
What's your favorite thing to do on a rainy day?
On a rainy day, I love to curl up with a good book, drink some hot chocolate, and listen to the rain outside.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I love trying new foods, especially when I'm traveling. It's a great way to experience different cultures.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
My favorite type of cuisine is Italian. I can never resist a good pasta dish or a slice of pizza.
What's something you want to achieve in the next year?
In the next year, I want to learn a new language. I'm thinking about starting with Italian.
Do you like to meditate?
Yes, I meditate regularly. It helps me stay centered and manage stress.
What's your favorite type of exercise?
My favorite type of exercise is swimming. It's a full-body workout, and I find it very relaxing.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
I prefer summer. I love the long days, the warmth, and being able to spend time outdoors.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango. It's sweet, juicy, and perfect on a hot day.
Do you like to do DIY projects?
Yes, I enjoy doing DIY projects, especially home decor and upcycling old furniture. It's a fun and creative outlet for me.